artists. Join me as we draw the magical and whimsical Craftycorn as the Incredibox mod Sprunki. So, grab your pencils, and let's sprinkle some sparkle into our drawings. Craftycorn's design is inspired by the mystical and majestic unicorn. Her magical horn is said to channel creativity and great beats. Do you think Craftycorn's horn should be super long or medium-sized? Great answer! A long horn adds extra magic. Bright, colorful patterns often follow her, symbolizing her vibrant personality. What shape should Craftycorn's cutie mark have? A heart, flower, or something musical? Ooh, a flower is perfect! Her name hints at her talent for crafting magical melodies. She wears sparkly accents that make her shine on stage. Her mane often flows in shades of pastel and metallic hues. When Craftycorn grooves, it looks like glitter flies everywhere. Wow! Craftycorn is looking enchanting already. We've done an amazing job. Now let's add the magical touch. Colors. Take out your markers or crayons and let's make her shine. How do you think Craftycorn feels? Happy, excited, or thoughtful? Nice, I love a cheerful expression. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to make sure you don't miss any new videos. Her beats often spark new ideas and imagination in fans. Craftycorn loves bringing people together with her uplifting vibe. And just like that, our Craftycorn is complete. Look at that magical masterpiece we've created. Great job! We've made something truly special today. I can't wait to draw with you again. Keep being creative and magical. See you next time.